guys, today we are at the RV show so we can look at some campers and probably get some ideas for our camper. So let's go look at all the RVs and campers. Thank you. And let's go. So we're inside and we're going to try to look for ideas for our camper and stuff. Too bad. It's not too bad.
Oh, this one's got bunks. Wait, Adrian, come on.
So this is a camper that we're in, and we got a little some ideas. Like we'll probably have that window. Now we're looking at some ACs because our AC is, broken.
I like it.
And
I like it because I don't need to be scared if I'm up here.
Yeah, you like it with the podcast. Yeah. All right, let's get down.
I'm just on the roof, not being scared.
They're not a Lexus though. They're a Mercedes.
look, so it's the Storyteller t-shirt that I'm getting. It's for free.
And what is this?
I'm waiting.
It says Storyteller Overland.
What's back here? Yeah, you can actually, shower, so you can come in from the back door and take a shower, right?
Whoa!
That's it. You gotta slide the bed. See, you got the bed. Oh, I should have hit him up some more.
OMG! Goodness! Oh look, there's a let's go check it out.
That's the one you want?
Daddy and Mommy, and then me and you, Banjoe. Then you can put
These are different.
and it does super. Whoa, Daddy, look, they have cup holders.
Their bed up top.
Here, your t-shirt there. I want to look at the pop top.
The ladder's down or up, so no, come on. This is what you want? We can tow just a couple of these, one for you, one for Mommy. All right, have fun. How's it?
She's happy.
You like this one?
You get them out there together and then...
Oh, well, hopefully somebody jumps in and picks it up. I need to get back involved.
Oh, someone's giving you food?
Warming up. It's okay. It's just my picture. It's like really hot. And look, I got money to burn. Is that like crazy? I know. It's like, huh?
It's gotta be great theft to turn.
Enjoy. Take care.
Say. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Shower. Yep.
There's no kids section because of COVID.
Jeez, what do you feed them? Horse food? Yeah. It's huge.
Below the dispenser, rub them together now. Make a little wish, kids, make a little wish.
Look, this is a shipping container, and we're going to look inside it. Wow. We were just at the RV show. It went great. Hey, your balloons pop. Oh, that hurt in my ears. Oh, your balloon popped. Daddy will,
Airstream.
there was no airstream. Airstream. And that was it. Adrian, how did your balloon pop? Where did the pink one go? Oh, that hurt in my ears.
Three tomatoes walking down the road. Mama tomato, daddy tomato, baby tomato. Baby tomato starts lagging behind. Daddy tomato's getting real aggravated.
Banjoe.
Daddy goes over, squishes baby tomato and says, catch up.
Banjoe.
Catch up. Why does he say catch up?
Because that's not saying catch up to the baby tomato.
Says, catch up.